Chapter 2. Luck, Risk. Let's talk about something we all love to think about, luck. You know, that magical thing we wish would strike us when we're buying a lottery ticket or applying for a dream job. But here's the catch. Luck and risk are like twins. You can't have one without the other. Life is a mix of both. And we often forget that when we look at successful people. Imagine this. Bill Gates became a tech genius because he was super smart, right? Well, yes, but also, he went to one of the few schools in the world that had a computer when most people didn't even know what a computer was. Luck played a big part in his success. And here's a little fun twist. His close friend Kent Evans, who was just as smart, tragically died in a mountaineering accident. That's risk in action. This chapter teaches us a big lesson. Success is never just about hard work or brains alone. Sometimes it's about being in the right place at the right time. And failures, they're often just the result of bad luck or risk showing up unexpectedly. Think about it. You can do everything perfectly, but sometimes life throws a curveball and boom, things go sideways. That doesn't mean you messed up, it's just the risk part of life doing its thing. Here's a motivational thought. Don't beat yourself up when things go wrong. Maybe you didn't get that promotion or your business idea didn't take off. Sometimes it's not because you didn't try hard enough, it's just bad luck. And the same goes for when things go right. If you land a great opportunity, sure, give yourself credit for your efforts, but remember, that luck had your back too. The funny thing is, we love to credit our success to hard work, but blame failure on bad luck. Let's flip that around. Next time you win big, say, hey, luck was on my side today. And when things don't work out, remind yourself, it was just a bit of bad luck, I'll keep going. That mindset takes the pressure off and makes life's ups and downs feel more like an adventure than a test. The real takeaway here, embrace both luck and risk. You can't control everything, and that's okay. What you can do is keep showing up, making smart choices, and giving yourself a break when luck decides to sit this one out. Success isn't all about being the smartest or working the hardest. Sometimes it's about being patient and waiting for your moment. So when you see someone living their best life and wonder why you're not there yet, remember, luck might have played a big part. Your turn is coming, but until then, stay motivated, keep pushing, and don't get discouraged. Luck and risk are part of the game, and you're in it for the long haul. Keep going. You never know when your luck will strike.